Good day everyone, especially to all teachers. I started creating my video lessons in General Mathematics last April 2020. In this video, I will be sharing to you how I created those lessons from PowerPoint presentation even if my laptop's audio or mic is not working. Yes, you heard it right. My laptop's audio or mic is not working at all. It's because natagak niya akong laptop. And mo to siya, wala na ning tingog. So first step, prepare your slides, including the design, animations, transitions, etc. These are my slides. I incorporated designs, animations, and transitions on it, including the shapes. There are a lot of effects that you can use in the PowerPoint presentation. You just need to explore it. If you're sure that you are done with your slides, then you may go to step 2. Go to slideshow menu, then click from beginning. So you can see this on the upper portion of your PowerPoint presentation. Click on this, slideshow, and then click from beginning. Automatically, the monitor will display the first part of your presentation. So this is the first part of my PowerPoint presentation about composition of functions. The question is, how I recorded my PowerPoint presentation even if my laptop's audio is not working. Simple. On your keyboard, you can see the Windows key and of course, letters. Now, press Windows key and G together and this will pop out in your monitor. Do you want to open game bar? All you need to do is to check on that box. Yes, this is a game. Although you are not on a game, but this technique actually is very helpful to record your screen activity. As what I've read, gamers are familiar with this technique. As soon as you check the box, this will come out. What are these images? So let's familiarize this one. This is for take screenshot with its corresponding shortcut key using the keyboard. Then this is record that. Record from now. Turn mic on while recording. You can turn your mic on while recording your screen activity. As for me, since my audio is not working, so no need for me to turn it on kay wala maghihapoy madunggan. Next is start broadcasting. Turn mic on while broadcasting. Turn camera on while broadcasting, and then turn game on. I believe these tools are being used by gamers. So what will you use? Just press on this, record from now, and then as soon as you press on this, automatically your screen activity will be recorded. So since my audio is not working, I use my phone to record my voice. So duha akong gamito no, akong laptop and my cell phone. Ingani gining teacher mangita o paagi. Very resourceful. Okay. So, as soon as you click record from now, you also click start recording so that magtungod ang imuhang tingog o ang imuhang presentation. But anyway, even if dili pa siya magtungod, there are a lot of apps that you can use to edit. Okay, so, after you started recording, you can see this one. This means that your presentation is being recorded already. No man akong gigama about composition of functions. So I'll just run through it. Ako lang paspason. What inspired me to make this presentation was upon hearing the news that classes will resume by late of August or on the first week of September and then March paman to siya. I thought nga dugaya pa kaayo. So to use my time wisely, I made this. Of course, nag-search pa ko daan, nagpatabang pod ko, and I've made a lot of readings on how to record my screen. Pwede sad kayo tong record slideshow, no? Nga naa sa PowerPoint. Pero mo lagi ito akong problema. My audio is not working, so dili gihapon siya magamit. Mo tong nangita ko og paagi to record my screen activity and just record my voice through my cell phone. And luckily, I've found a way. Okay, so these are my references. If you have ended with your slideshow, mo ni siya mogawas end of slideshow, click to exit. When human na mo exit ani mo automatic putog kahuman ang imong recording. Where can you find your recording? So simple, just click on your file explorer and then click on videos. Upon clicking the videos, you can see their captures. In this folder, you can see your recordings. So, mo ni siyas, no? Mo ni siya ang folder sa akong captures kay daghan naman sad ko og na record. And again, kato akong example is composition of functions, tulo ni ka recordan because naiusahay mag-record ko banha kaayo, usahay mo tigog ang tuko, maningog ang mga manok, kung maningog mga manok niya, kung usahay pod kung buntag dagha mga bata or banha kayo ang gangis, pero go lang gihapon. Next step is to transfer the file to your cell phone. Okay, so diba I've mentioned earlier that my voice is being recorded using the voice recorder. I know you're familiar with recording your voices using your cell phone. So just click on this and then automatically it will start recording your voice. Then if you're done, this will come out. So what app did I use to merge my voice and the PowerPoint presentation recorded in my screen earlier? There are actually a lot of apps, but for me, I used the InShot app. This can be downloaded through Google Play Store. And if you try to search other apps, daghan kaayo. But as for me, I've been using this since April because I found it user-friendly. And there are no problems so far that I have encountered using this app. So as soon as you open it, this will come out. You can create a video, photo, or collage. Since I am making video lessons, I click on video and then this will come out. New. If I want to create new video, or this one is for existing video projects that I have started. Click new lang ta for this presentation. Now go back to your voice recording. Click on these three dots. And then this will come out. Either you edit recording, duplicate, or share. So click on share and then nakay makita dito nga mga choices or options. Select copy to InShot so that your voice or the recorded audio will be imported to this app InShot. So as soon as you click copy to InShot, this will come out. Save imported files as music. Just click OK. Open again your InShot and then click on new. So you can see there your videos or photos or all. It depends. But para sa yun ra, just click on video para na dito ang mga videos nga gusto nimo nga i-import. This is the video that I've recorded earlier. Now, what's next is to click on this check mark. So after you check it, na ay X, na ay trim, or na ay check mark. You can trim it if you want, but for me, I check it because later on I can just trim or edit the presentation including my voice. After pressing or after you click on this check mark, this will come out. So nakita ninyo mo ni siya ang video presentation or mo ni siya ang PowerPoint presentation ganiha nga na record using the shortcut Windows G. To insert your audio, click on music. So after you click music, mo ni siya magawas tracks, effects, or record. You choose tracks. Then this will come out. Featured iTunes, effects, extract audio from video, or imported music. Diba ganiha is nag-record man ko. Then it was imported to this app. The number of recordings that are imported in the app will be reflected here. Kadaghan naman slug na record mo ng 78 na ni siya diri. This is an important reminder. Remember the file number of your recorded audio. Since ganiha it's number 37, I use this one. And then after which mo na ni siya mogawas. This one kaning nasa ibabaw mo ni siya ang akong audio. While kaning nasa abos mo ni siya ang PowerPoint presentation that was recorded earlier. You can start editing your voice. There are a lot of options or tools nga pwede nimo gamiton like edit or volume para to increase your or decrease your volume, or you may delete it if nakailain nga recording. So you can just explore this one, and then after which you can check on this para kanina mo gawas nagtipo na ni siya. If you are done checking on this, automatically your voice and your recorded presentation are merged. So while nag-play ang imuhang video, your voice is also played. What's next is to save it na. So how to save it? Just click on this. And then mugawas si siya. Of course, hindi mo dito og 90%. It will start with 0% until it reaches to 100%. Take note, please do not lock screen or switch to other apps, because if you do so, it will go back to 0%. And take note, the longer the video, the longer it will be saved. Be patient until it reaches to 100%. And finally, it is already saved in your gallery. And that's it. You can now create more videos for your students. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you have questions regarding this tutorial, just post it on the comments section. I'll try to answer queries as much as I can. Thank you and have a good day.